The cold from the spare room has begun to seep into the rest of the house. I feel it first thing in the morning, a damp chill in the hallway that the heating vents can't catch. David insists it's just an old draft, but I know it's spreading. I confront him in the kitchen, the photo album heavy in my hands. David, look at this. It's Anya, at this house, 20 years ago. He doesn't look at the album. He looks at me, his expression a mix of exhaustion and something else, pity. Maya, he says softly, wiping his hands on a dish towel. Where did you find that? Under the bed in the spare room, the room that's changing. He sighs, a long, weary sound. Let me see it. He takes the album, flips through the pages with a strange, detached focus. He stops on the picture of Anya. His jaw tightens. This is an old album. It must have been left here by the previous owners. Anya just resembles the girl. It's a coincidence. A coincidence? She recognized the chair, David, the one I just bought. She's imaginative. She's trying to connect, he says, his voice taking on that smooth, therapeutic tone that suddenly makes my skin crawl. You've been under a lot of stress. Your sleep has been poor. This room, you're fixating on it. Frustration boils over. I am not fixating. The room is wrong. The photos vanished from the hall and appeared there. The furniture moves. You hear it at night. I know you do. He places the album on the counter and takes my hands. They feel ice cold in his. Maya, listen to me. Look at the floor plan. He pulls out his phone, scrolls to a photo of the architect's blueprint we received when we bought the house. He zooms in on the upstairs layout. See? This is our room. This is the bathroom. This, he says, his finger tapping a small rectangle at the end of the hall, is a storage closet, a small, deep closet. We put shelves in it, for linens. I stare at the screen. The label clearly says closet. The dimensions are all wrong for a bedroom. My head swims. No, that's not right. It has a window, a bed. It has a narrow, high window for a closet, and we store the guest fold-away bed in there, he says, his voice impossibly calm, logical, erasing the reality I've been living in. We never had a spare room, Maya. We never needed one. The world tilts. The solid walls of my home feel like paper. If he's right, then where have I been sleeping, Anya? Where did I see the chair? Where did I find the album? But if he's wrong, then why is the proof right there on his screen? I wrench my hands away and run upstairs. I throw open the door at the end of the hall. There is no floral armchair, no writing desk, no dresser with a pearl earring, only deep floor-to-ceiling shelves stacked with towels and bedsheets, a bare, narrow window high on the wall, and in the very center of the empty floor space, sitting neatly on the hardwood, is the green photo album. David's voice comes from right behind me, gentle and final. See? Just a closet. You've been so tired, my love. I look from the closet to the album to his concerned face. The chill in the air is now inside my bones. He is lying to my eyes, or my eyes are lying to me. Which truth is more terrifying? Which character do you distrust most right now?